Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Xbox account. Creating an Xbox account is a gateway to a world of gaming, social interactions and entertainment. Whether you are new to Xbox or returning after some time, this guide will walk you through the process. First of all, open a web browser on your device that you are using and in the search bar type in xbox.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Microsoft. Now you will end up in this website where you'll need to tap on the human button at the bottom right corner. On the next page, you can go ahead and enter your existing Microsoft account's credential. If you don't have one, click on Create an Account at the bottom where it says New to Microsoft. This will now take you to this Creation tab where you need to enter an email address. After typing down an email, click Next. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Enter the code that you received via email into the text box. After typing it down, on the next page, select your country or your region and then enter your date of birth. After you are done, click Next. On the next page, write down your first name and then your last name. After you are done, click Next and press and hold the button to prove that you are a human being. And once you go through that step, you can then customize your profile now or change it later. You can customize your avatar, your gamer's tag, and other information over here. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create your Xbox account successfully. For added security, try enabling two-factor authentication so that it adds an extra layer of protection to your account. That's how you easily set up your Xbox account. Now you're ready to dive into the expansive world of Xbox gaming and entertainment. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.